Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a continuation on our journey to PyQGIS, using it as a standalone script. So today we'll be looking at how to access attributes data in our vector layer. If you are familiar with QGIS, which I assume you are, this information can be accessed via the open attribute table, the information of each feature of the vector layer. Since we already have a video explaining all the lines of code in the PyQGIS boilerplate code, you can find a link down in the description below to the video. So with that out of the way, let's delve into the meat and potatoes. We will begin this code with an if-else statement to check if our layer is valid or not. So if everything is on the app, the name of the layer is printed. If not, then we print can't load layer. Pretty standard. Next thing we'll do is to get all the features of our vector layer and store it in a variable using the getFeatures method. This particular method is attached to the QGIS vector layer class. Note that under the hood, QGIS handles results from our getFeatures method as a QGIS feature iterator. This allows for improved performance and memory storage, which means we'll be able to access individual feature objects in our feature iterator. So to loop through all the objects in our feature iterator, we'll be using a for keyword. Having done that, there are a couple of different ways we can access attributes on our feature. We can use the attribute map method to retrieve all the attributes of the feature as a dictionary. So you get your key value for each feature or each row of your vector layer data. We can also use attributes method to retrieve all the attribute values of the feature layer. So with the attribute map, we have our data in the form of a dictionary. With just the attribute method, the values are going to be as a list. We might also want to access specific attributes on the feature. To do that, we can access that value via the attribute name. That will be all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also share to your friends and families while you're at it. See you in the next video. Keep learning, stay curious, and bye.